Gelato fudge chocolate chunk cookie sandwiches are fun ultra decadent treats that are easy to make at home. Start with the best ingredients and have fun. Drop cookies are an excellent choice for gelato cookie sandwiches because the dough can be made up ahead of time and portioned into what some people call a cookie dough puck, because it is rolled into a round shape and frozen on ice like a hockey puck, or at least that's what we call frozen cookie dough in Canada. This way, after you make the chocolate chunk cookie doughs and portion them into round balls, they can be frozen or baked one at a time instead of a whole tray. After the cookies are baked and cooled, they can be filled with a frozen filling. The easiest way to spread the gelato is with a piping bag and a decorator tip. Fill the bag and pipe the gelato onto cookies to assemble the sandwiches that can be frozen hard before your guests arrive. Leave the sandwiches on baking trays in the freezer until frozen hard, about an hour or two depending on the type of freezer used. Serve the gelato sandwiches straight from the freezer or on a chilled tray to be served before the gelato melts. Dark chocolate chunk pecan cookie and malted milk chocolate fudge gelato. Double chocolate chunk cookie and macadamia nut butter white chocolate fudge gelato, and milk chocolate chunk cookie and dark chocolate whiskey fudge gelato are a few gelato sandwich ideas to start.